This is the Universal Health Sensor Platform. There is a pulse oximeter attached to my finger and connected to the platform, which is then sending the data to the cloud, which is a platform created by MediumOne. It displays real-time data. It can also do real-time processing. I'm connecting an input module right here, which will also connect to a processing module that can take Python code for the real-time processing. That will then connect to an output module, which can display or store the data. When I double-click on the Python module, you can see where the Python code is entered for the real-time processing. There are many other modules and possibilities that you can handle. And now we've exited back to the display of the real-time data. At the top is graphical data. At the bottom is an analog chart and a numerical display. All this from the Universal Health Sensor Platform.